A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Now in today's class we will learn the topic the pronoun it. In the previous classes I have already explained you about the pronoun, the kinds of pronoun, and I hope you all know the meaning of pronoun. Yes? Still we will revise one more time. A pronoun, it is a word that is used in place of a noun. Okay? Pro means for, yes, and these pronouns have exactly the same uses as nouns. Like instead of repeating names, we use pronouns. Now coming to the next topic in the same chapter, page number 32, it is the pronoun it. Okay? Now this pronoun it is a personal pronoun. Okay? As you all know, what is a personal pronoun? So a personal pronoun is a pronoun that is used for a particular person, particular place or a particular thing. So it is used as a personal pronoun also, and there are some rules of using the pronoun it that I will explain you in this video. Understood? Now first of all you have to understand that it pronoun is used for the animals, for the things and the places. Okay? Like we can use it for an animal when we do not know about its gender. Now let us learn this point with the help of the following examples. Like your first example is monkey lives on a tree, monkey likes to eat bananas. And the second example is cat is a pet, cat drinks milk. Now if we will see both the examples, the nouns monkey and cat are getting repeated in the given examples. Okay? So these examples can be said as using the pronouns it also, as monkey lives on a tree, it likes to eat banana. The same with the second example, cat is a pet, it drinks milk. Okay? Now also note that here the gender of both the animal is not known. Yes? So it pronoun is used for each of them. As we don't know monkey is a male or a female, cat is a male or a female. So we are using it here. Yes? But if we know the gender of the animal, we can use he or she pronoun for that animal. Understood? Like this, I will explain you with one more example. Our example is, this is a peacock. The peacock has beautiful feathers. Okay? Now in this example, like we know that the noun peacock stands for the male. Yes? And the word peacock is again and again repeating. So what we will do? We will use he pronoun. Okay? And we can change the sentence as, this is a peacock, he has beautiful feathers. Understood, students? Now coming to the next, let us now see how the pronoun it is used for things and places. Okay, with the help of some examples. Our first example is, this is a book, the book is kept on the table. Now in this example, the noun book is getting repeated and it is a name of a thing. So we can use it pronoun for the book. Thus the sentence become, this is a book, it is kept on the table. Now coming to the next example related to place. Where is Taj Mahal situated? Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. In this example, we can observe the repetition of noun Taj Mahal in the sentence. Yes? It is the name of the place, so we can use it for the noun Taj Mahal. Yes? So the sentence will be, where is Taj Mahal situated? It is situated in Agra. If we observe both the examples, we can see that the pronoun it is usually followed with is, like it is, and this generally happens in case of place and thing. I hope you all have understood. Now all these points we will revise once more time, and we will see more points related to the pronoun it. Like the first point is, it is used for things without life. Yes. Second is, it is used when we refer to an animal, but it does not mention whether it is male or female. The third point is, it is used for a young child when the sex is not mentioned, means when we don't know whether it is a boy child or a girl child. Understood? Now this was all about the pronoun it. For more examples, you can go through the page number 32 of your grammar book. I hope you all have understood the topic. Stay blessed. Take care. Thank you, students.